Flex Building Systems is a manufacturer of quality, adaptable, easy to assemble PVC-based building material systems. Flex is focused on using the latest technology in prefabricated building solutions to provide both site-erected and mobile classrooms and ablution solutions. Mobile structures are factory assembled into various structures including school classrooms, offices, accommodation units, clinics and ablutions for rapid deployment to sites across the country. Site builds are more permanent in nature and allow for larger structures and complex configurations. The Flex design is based on a layered cellular concept where the PVC panels contain interconnected steel profiles from which a space frame envelope provide the rigidity and structural integrity of the structure over a rigid panel form. PVC is an inert material. It is highly resistant to most chemicals and environmental phenomena. The PVC used in our panels is compounded with impact modifiers, UV stabilizers and other additives to prolong the longevity and durability of the product. PVC as a material is self-extinguishing and recyclable. The life of a mobile classroom begins in two halves on the production line in our factory in East London. The components of the steel chassis are bolted together to form a firm and rigid platform, which is then covered and further firmed up with treated 19mm plyboard boards before covering with vinyl tiles or carpets as required to become the classroom floor. Once steel and PVC channels have been fitted to the chassis of the frame, the PVC panels are connected in place with Flex design clipping mechanisms, along with the PVC door frame and window cutouts. The steel profiles are then inserted in the panels and fastened to the base channel with screws. The windows are then fitted in position and secured to the internal steel inserts. The roof panels are secured to the ridge beams and walls, ensuring steel-to-steel connections. All steel components of the classroom are interconnected using screws or rivets and a combination of steel flashings and steel channels. Due to the hollow core nature of the panel design, electrical installations make use of the open channels to route cabling for lights and power points. Finishes and trimmings such as writing boards, skirtings and shelves are to the customer's requirements and are added once the structure assembly is completed. Depending on customer requirements, all units can be supplied with rainwater harvesting systems, which is especially essential on rural school sites. After deep cleaning and final inspection, the completed halves of the classroom are individually sealed using a tarpaulin and loaded onto the trucks and trailers for transport to site. The FPS panels can also be painted with pure acrylic paint to ensure a blended appearance to existing structures according to customer needs. Advantages of the Flex product include rapid deployment, ease of transport, deployment in rural locations, basic site preparation, and the unit being redeployable.